Hello low carb peeps, welcome to Low Carb Lish. My name is Jacqueline and welcome to my channel. This is an introduction video just to tell you what's going to be happening on the channel. We're going to be doing low carb, delicious recipes. If you are somebody who has been recently diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, then you are in the right place. If you're terrified, you don't know where to turn, you don't know what to eat, when to eat, how to eat, you're in the right place. Little backstory on me, I was diagnosed about a year and a half ago, a little over a year and a half ago with type 2 diabetes, and I went into the doctor's office. My blood sugar was at 365 and my A1C was at 12.7, both extremely high. A year and a half later, with no medication, my blood sugars are in the normal range. My A1C is what they term non-diabetic range anymore, and it can happen for you too. I ran across a man named Pollock who has a channel called Beat Diabetes. I highly recommend that you go to his channel and check out his videos when you finish here. He has been eating low carb for over 20 years, and he and his wife Benedicta have some amazing videos that they do. Most of the videos he does by himself, but his wife is in some of them as well. And they share recipes, they do testing to see what foods are going to shoot his blood sugar up and what foods are safe. I just learned a lot from him. And there's other people on YouTube that are cooking low carb, cooking keto. And just because a recipe is keto does not mean that you have to be on the keto plan in order to incorporate that recipe into your low carb lifestyle. So I highly recommend him. I really can't recommend him high enough for the amount of information and things that you're going to get from his channel. So come back here. We're going to have more recipes, fast, delicious, easy recipes made with things that are in your house and that you should be able to get at the grocery store, because I had to make decisions for me based on budget, availability, taste. You know, first and foremost, it's taste, because who's going to stay on a plan if you don't like what you're eating? So we're going to make some really good, delicious food that's fast, easy, and simple. And, you know, this will work for you. I have known so many type 2 diabetics in the last few months, especially, that have completely reversed their type 2 diabetes. There's several people that I know who have been on insulin for years who have either been able to greatly reduce their medication or come completely off of it. So if you're interested in this and this sounds like something that would help you, like this video, because it helps other people that are looking for help and guidance to find me. And also subscribe, and you'll get all the recipes and everything that we come out with. And also hit that little notification bell so that when I do post a new video, you'll be aware of it and know it, and you'll be able to hop on over and join in the fun too. And I forgot to say that for Pollock and his channel, I'll link his channel down below so that you can find him easily. And just remember that this will work. You can do it. You're worth it. You're not alone. And we're going to be here to help you through it every step of the way. So thanks for spending time with me tonight. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.